We will guide you through how to change Photoshop file location. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Click Edit on the menu bar to access the application settings. Select Preferences, then choose File Handling to view the options that control how Photoshop saves documents, creates recovery information, and manages file compatibility. Review the available file saving options and adjust them only if your workflow requires a change. Click OK to confirm the current settings and close the Preferences window. Open the project you want to move or save in a different location. Click File on the menu bar to open the saving commands. Select Save As or Save a Copy, depending on which command is available and whether you want the new file to become your active working document. In the saving window, browse to the folder where you want the file stored. Select a different drive if needed, making sure it has enough free space and will remain accessible when you continue working. Open the exact destination folder and check the path so the project does not end up in the wrong location. Enter a clear file name that will help you identify the project later. Open the Format menu and choose Photoshop, shown with the PSD file name extension, so the document keeps its editable layers and other Photoshop features. Click Save to begin writing the project to the selected folder. Wait until Photoshop finishes saving, especially if the project contains many layers or large images. Open File Explorer on your computer and navigate to the destination folder you selected. Verify that the PSD file appears there with the correct name, and check that it has a reasonable file size. Return to Photoshop and continue editing normally. From this point forward, use the regular Save command to update the same file in its new location.